Welcome back to our note reading practice. In the previous exercise, we worked on the notes in the spaces of the treble clef. This time, we're practicing the notes on the lines. This is a great way to improve your sight reading skills. I'll show a note, and you'll have 5 seconds to name it. Great job! Keep practicing, and soon you'll be reading notes like a pro. In the next video, we'll crank up the difficulty and add more notes to the mix. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in the next lesson.